So I have already created my background layer. So now select the text tool. The foreground is black. And now left click and now type your text. Control A to select all text. And now I'm going to change the font here to Anton. And the size, I will change it to 650, press enter. Select the alignment tool. Now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. And now select the text tool again. We're going to type another text. So left click and now I'm going to type my text. So Control A to select all text. So this time I will change the font to Lobster. The size, I will change it to 400. And for the color, left click here. So I'm going to select, for example, this color here, this orange, press OK. So I'm going to change it and we select this one here, I think. So I'm going to select this one and now select the move tool. And now I'm just going to place my text here. So I'm going to place it here. So now select the Gimp text here, the bigger text with the Anton font. Right click on it, alpha to selection. And now select the interlaced text, this one here, the orange one, the one on top. Right click, add layer mask. Check the white full opacity layer mask and then add. So on a layer mask, the white represents opacity and the black transparency. So for example, if I select the paintbrush tool, make sure the foreground is black. So these are settings I'm going to use. If I paint black, for example, it will hide parts here of my orange text. So Control Z. So now you just need to select the parts where you want to have that effect. So for example, I'm going to remove this part here. So Control Z. Press plus on your keyboard to zoom in. So now I'm going to reduce the size just to move this part. And now, for example, I'm going to remove this part here. So I'm going to increase the size. So as you can see, it is only affecting the selection here of the GIMP here. And now I'm going to remove this part. So I think I'm going to leave it here and now go to select none. And now I'm going to select the orange text. So select this one here. So here it is. Right click on the layer and then alpha to selection. And now create a new layer, click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now I'm just going to paint black here on the edges here to give it a kind of shadow. It's overlapping. So select the paintbrush to increase a little bit size. Make sure on the transparent layer. And now I'm going to left click on top, hold the shift key, then left click to make a straight line here with the paintbrush. Same thing again, left click and then like this. And now I'm going to paint slightly here like this. And now I'm going to paint here and here. I'm going to paint here and here. And now go to select none. So Control Z to undo. So now I'm going to press plus key. I'm going to reduce size. I'm going just to increase a little bit the effect here. And here too. And now go to select none. And now you can still, for example, just reduce the opacity of the shadow layer, this one here.